This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download the Brave browser. So Brave, the very popular browser, is really growing in popularity right now. I'm on the downloads page, so you can find a downloads page at brave.com/download, and I will of course include that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and you'll wind up here and you won't need to search or anything. So Brave will cleverly work out what operating system you're using. It has correctly identified that I am on macOS. If you need another version, they have these other options here for Windows and Linux just below here. But if you're on a Windows machine, it will know that you're on a Windows machine. It will give you the Windows version right here, like it has with this Mac version for me. So you will now click on the button at the top right here. It now tells you that you're almost there. You're just 60 seconds away from the best privacy online. So we have now downloaded. That will automatically go to the download location that your browser has set. I'm on a Mac with Google Chrome, so it goes directly to the downloads folder. So you'll find the installer there. Hopefully you've found this video on how to download Brave, the Brave browser, useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.